Hi.
Hello and welcome to the second episode of our tutorials on Terpmate. So today we are going to take a look at glossaries and terminology management. But before doing that, Michela,
Let us remind you of how to stay in touch with us. We are on all social media. We are on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. We have a Telegram channel. You can subscribe, of course, to our YouTube channel, but mostly we have a website, www.cabinadoppia.com, where you will find useful material, we hope useful material for interpreters, and of course, courses and training for interpreters and technology.
so let's go back to the core of this video. Last time we talked about the settings, we talked about how to choose the ASR model, the online model, the offline model, the Microsoft model, and everything else. Now we are going to take a look at glossaries and terminology management. So let's move to Terpmate, and here it is.
Interface.
You should see it. Yes, this is the interface, the white page when you start it up. And we are going to take a look at glossary management. So in this case, when you start, you will have an empty vocabulary list. We've already uploaded one just to show you how you can first of all edit a glossary, then we'll see how to upload a new one. So let's pretend that you already have a glossary in your list. So you can click on management and you can, well, first of all, read what's inside, and you can edit or delete the single entries. This is quite straightforward, so you can go back. You can also click edit to change the title of the glossary,
The name
or
of the glossary.
as it is called in Terpmate, vocabulary. And you can share it with other users, or you can delete it altogether.
Of course, but let's pretend we want to upload a brand new glossary we already have, for example, in Excel format, which is quite common.
So first of all, create a new one. So you give it a name, in this case, solar panels, for example.
Save.
Okay. And then you go to management.
Now it's empty.
You see that it's empty, so you might add entries manually, or you can upload an Excel file. So you can see here, it accepts xlsx or xls files, which are the Excel format. In this case, we have an Italian into English glossary on solar panels, so we just open that. And as you can see, it has been uploaded. Then you can, if you wish, upload further terms or edit the existing ones.
Or delete them.
So mind you that here there's a catch, there's something that we need to say, because in this case, we've uploaded the glossary that was from Italian into English. So in the settings, we already knew that, so we've put that Italian as primary language and English as secondary language.
Yeah.
But when you upload glossaries, it will not recognize what is the primary or the secondary language. So in this case, you will have to manage the directions, so the settings accordingly. And if you have mixed direction glossaries, so for example, you might have glossaries from English into Italian or Italian into English, and you can combine them. So you will need to,
adjust the primary and
secondary language accordingly.
Yes.
Now we've uploaded the glossary, but it's not active yet.
What does that mean? It means that if you activate the ASR function, it will not recognize the terms you have inserted in this glossary on solar panels.
So to activate the glossaries, you need to go here to the choose list and select, and then you can choose the glossary or glossaries of choice.
Yeah.
In this case, for example, we've activated the glossary on solar panels and quantum computing. I know, very unrelated topics, but
still,
bear with us.
Then you go back and you can activate the ASR engine. So you click on Start, and it will find terms from the glossary or glossaries you have actually activated.
And they will be highlighted in red or the color of your choice in the settings.
Yeah, so remember, if you simply upload a glossary on Terpmate, it will not automatically recognize the terms as you start the ASR engine. You will have to activate that particular glossary or glossaries if you want to select more than one.
Yeah, that's very important.
Yeah.
So that's it for today, for this section. We hope you've enjoyed this part on how to upload glossaries and how to manage terminology on Terpmate.
We hope it was useful.
We hope it was useful for you, and you can click on the links now to go back and see the first episode on our Terpmate tutorials or our comprehensive review.
And remember, we are professional freelance conference interpreters. We are not sponsored nor paid by any software house, not even by GreenTerp or Terpmate. So we are simply reviewing and testing the software and the tools that are currently available on the market or for free, as it is the case of Terpmate.
So, see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.